Hi, this is Kenzie. Hope you feel better. Thank you for all you have done during the time you have been sick.
Hi, this is Shay. I hope you feel better.
Hi, this is Carly. Get well soon. Hope you feel better.
Hi, Mrs. Clark. This is a glorious picture of a cat. Get well soon.
Hi, this is SB. Get well soon. Goodbye.
Hello, Mrs. Clark. I hope you feel better.
Hi, Mrs. Clark. I hope you feel better.
Mrs. Clark, it's Marissa. I hope you feel better.
Hi, Mrs. Clark. I hope you feel better soon.
Hi, Mrs. Clark. This is Brendan. I hope you feel better.
I hope you really feel better, Mrs. Clark. I hope you come back soon.
Hi, Mrs. Clark. I hope you feel better soon. Bye.
Mrs. Clark, I hope you feel better.
Hi, Miss Clark. It's me, Aiden. I hope you feel better because I really miss you, and you're my favorite aide.
Dear Mrs. Clark, get well soon. We have been missing you. Sincerely, Caleb.
I hope you get better soon. We miss you. Love, Liam.
Get well soon, Mrs. Clark. To Mrs. Clark from Jeffrey.
I miss you, Mrs. Clark. Love, Bentley.
Get well, Mrs. Clark from Mariana.
Hi, Miss Clark. Hope you feel better. You are the best. Bye, Kyler.
I hope you feel better, Mrs. Clark. We miss you, Mrs. Clark.
From Michelle.
Hi, Mrs. Clark. We miss you. Get well soon.
Hi, Mrs. Clark. We miss you so much. Get well.